Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is simplify a complex fraction, which as you see here is a fraction within a fraction. So the method we're going to use to simplify is rather than combining each fraction and then dividing, which is a little time consuming and a bit more tedious, is we're going to multiply by a factor of 1, but it's going to be one that wipes out these fractions. And the thing to keep in mind is what makes these fractions an issue. It's this x right here and this 3x right here. So we're going to multiply by something that's going to wipe out both fractions, which, you guessed it, is the LCD, the least common denominator. And since x is a factor of 3x, I'm going to uncircle these here so you can see them more clearly. The LCD in this case is 3x. And again, we're using 3x because if I multiply the denominator by 3x, it is going to wipe out that 3x in the denominator, but I have to make sure that I multiply by the same thing upstairs and downstairs. So I'm going to multiply by 3x over 3x, and I'm going to use parentheses just for clarity, because I want to make sure that we multiply 3x to each term. So this is going to give us 1 times 3x minus 2 over x times 3x, all divided by 2 times 3x plus 4 over 3x times 3x. And if we simplify that, 1 times 3x is 3x. Here the x's cross out and we're left with 2 times 3, which is 6. Downstairs we have 2 times 3x, which is 6x. Here the 3x's cross out because remember that's really 3x over 1. And we get 6x plus 4. And yes, just to make sure that it is a simplified answer, we can totally factor out a 3 in the numerator, and we can factor out a 2 in the denominator. And what we see is that this is actually a simplified answer. So I'm going to put that in the box there. And just to make it more clear, this is our answer. And that, as you notice, is a single fraction. And that is how we know that our complex fraction is in its simplest form, when it's written as a single fraction. No more complex fraction. We're good to go. Be sure to tune in for more videos. I have a couple more examples of complex fractions coming. Thanks for watching.